Finally, it's raining. Oh my God. It's a good thing that I have to run. I ran and then I came home. I'm even a little bit wet because, I didn't have any umbrella. So, yes, guys, I didn't do any live anymore because I'm not yet allowed to do live. So, this is what I have to do this time, guys. I will just do a long form video and talk to you, and hoping you will watch my videos, and hope you will also support me too, because I always try to support to those who message and comment to my videos, guys. Like few days back, I'm being my live was being removed because I didn't know that it's not allowed that we do live only with kids. So, my God, have a typhoon, guys. Look. But I am really happy it's raining because it's been like 1 week now, no rain. My plants will be happy. So, hello everyone. Have a blessed afternoon from Philippines. I just came back from the downtown, and also I made some errands. I went to pay my electric bill and thank God because God gave me an instrument to help me also with all my errands and all my life struggles, guys. Thank you so much, God, for sending me good heart. And also, guys, I'm also thankful because God is giving us rain today. Even though I don't understand this kind of rain because sometimes it will stop and it will come back again with the wind. This kind of rain is not really that typical rain that we are experiencing every day last month. That it will be like heavy and just rain without any wind. This time is like the rain comes with wind. So I'm trying to record that because I want to know how long it will last. See, it will go away, then it will come back again. A little bit windy. And then I feel like even if it's already raining for like almost 1 hour now, but still it's not like much because see, it didn't really give raindrops yet in the roof. So yeah, hello guys, good afternoon from Philippines, from Bohol, particularly in Bohol. Hello, good afternoon, and good morning there in Europe, in USA, in Australia. No, in Australia now is like night time. So good morning in Canada and USA, in Europe, and then Middle East. And in Thailand, good afternoon. Same with my time. Oh, 1 hour late with my time. Now it's almost like, what time now? Almost like at 3 o'clock. At my cousins there. Finally, there's already rain and water. So it's like really not heavy rain. It comes with wind. That's why it's not, it's not like before that it's really like heavy and longer. This one is like, it will disappear and then it will come back again. But this kind of rain, guys, is not really good. If you will get wet with this kind of rain, it will give you like flu or colds. So once again, guys, I'm still not, I'm still not allowed to do live streaming because I had a mistake, guys. I let Janela talk in the live, and I was not in front of the camera because I was cooking. So the YouTube just end my live and then they remove it. And I'm still not allowed to do live streaming because the kids are there and it's not allowed. So I didn't really know, I didn't take it seriously, and now I understand. I have to be more careful.
Labasnya tulingan, labasnya tulingan, oh lara, labasnya tulingan,
Anyway, bye bye guys. That's all for now. I really want the rain to just pour so that we can have rain water in our drum, so I can use it for cleaning the toilet, cleaning the kitchen. So I hope the rain will still steady like that. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, everyone.